Ooh. Can't really see it. It's like a lot more intense looking than it is. Like the rain is like, it's like blowing like crazy. Kind of see it. Yeah. Yeah, like that. There we go. Haven't seen Oklahoma until you've seen this.